I got nightmares in my I can't hear that my mind fills up into a
because I need business
haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy, and silently
Good morning, lovelies. Today is Sunday, and I'm going to be taking you through a slow Sunday but a productive one. Currently, I've not been happy with my content creation. I don't know, I'm putting in the effort, but the views have been dropping. But anyway, we keep pushing. So today is Sunday, and I'm just from showering. I'm going to take care of my skin, my body, and then we go to the kitchen. We prepare a meal.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
So after preparing lunch, I went and I filmed this dress because I sold it and the video is on my channel. I was just fitting in to see whether I love it. After that, in the evening, I sold, of course, and in the evening I had to prepare a meal for my small family. My friend was around plus my brother, so we did shawarma. Hey loves, good morning, another vlog. So today is Friday. Today's Friday. It's currently 8:40. I'm going to the gym. This is my outfit today. The body is budding. So this is my outfit, just this pant, I made it, and this top. And I'm also before I go, I don't know why I'm rushing. Before I go, I need to take water. I always take warm water or hot water with lemon in the morning before I go to the gym. Yeah, because you know there's a lot of dehydration, and you know I feel like I should, even when I don't go to the gym, the first thing I take in the morning is hot water. I'm just used to doing that. So I'm going to take the water. I'm going to go to my kitchen and prepare it just a few minutes, and then I take it. We head to the gym. So I wanted to film before, but I feel like that will be exhausting. So I need to film content for next week for my pages. That is my business page on TikTok, and then my business page on Instagram. Okay, so I need to film shorts, I need to sew. I have some attires that I have to sew today for my client, and yeah, as I feel it, you know, for my page. If you don't know my page, or if you've not followed my business page on Instagram, it is Premium Glam. It is on the screen. Premium Glam on Instagram and Premium Glam on TikTok. I have two pages, personal page and business page. So that's what I'm going to do today. When I come back in the morning, I managed to edit a full video for today, so I'm going to do that when I come back, and after I'll upload a video as I edit tomorrow's videos and shorts and everything, because I've been lagging when it comes to short content. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, and God willing, we manage to reach our goal, but I'm sure we shall manage that. So let me take water and head to the gym. So I've reached. Morning. I've reached, and today I'm so weak actually.
Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So in the evening, this was Friday actually. In the evening, I went to basketball. I went to watch a match. There was a match between those two teams. I'm even forgetting the names, but it was really a good match. It was really a good one. I love football, I love soccer, I love basket, I love volleyball, but I've not been watching them just because I couldn't go there alone, and I don't have friends who have got the same interest as I do, you know, or as mine. So I have a friend of mine who enjoys basketball and soccer and all that. So I think I'm going to be going for these matches often. So yeah, that was it that day in the evening, and it was really good. Let me leave you watch some clips just for you to enjoy.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills.
I'm finally mastering the art and the importance of eating healthy. Now, I'm a girl who works from home 70%, and I find it hard waking up in the morning, prepare a meal, and sit and eat alone. Now, I'm trying to work on that because it has been so many years doing that, not eating, and honestly, it has costed me a lot, from health to money and everything that comes with not eating. Now, the fact that I work from home, I'm always used to waking up in the morning, go take a shower, do my skin routine, and go straight to my sewing machine or to my PC if I have to do some work on my PC. Now, I'm trying to work on that because honestly, it's not a healthy habit and I'm not proud of it. But it's been 2 weeks and we are getting there. Bye!